Welcome back to Product Zone. We're going to unbox and check out this Christmas tree. It's a 6 feet artificial, a pre-lit flock Christmas tree. It has about 250 lights inside. It also has 8 different mode with flashing lights and all that. I'm going to show you right now. It only takes 3 steps to get this tree up right now. To unbox and show you how it looks inside. Look, so I got the pink one for my little princess. She's gonna love this. This is in the box right here. It comes in a 3-piece. So we got A, B, and C, which they label. And over here we have the base right here. And it's like a metal. It's not cheesy plastic, so that's a plus. And we got a couple holes right here. We're gonna use these to hold the tree in place. We have the plug, and we have the gloves and the instructions. So first thing, we open up the base, and we're gonna get these guys to tighten up. We're gonna find A. And then all you gotta do is put it in like this. Rest right there. And then we're gonna use these guys right here, if you can see the stuff, and just screw them all 3 corners. Right here, we're gonna make sure we screw in all 3 of these right here. You could see, we got to be careful because it is falling off, some of them, but amazing. And all we have to do, this is the wire I'm showing you, just have to connect them together right there, which is easy. And then you just open these up. We're going to open them up easy. Let me show you guys. It's beautiful. I love it. Can't wait for my daughter to come home and see it. And then we're going to turn on all the lights tonight. But look at that. Really nice quality. 6 feet Christmas tree. And I can't wait to see all the lights. But I gotta tell you, it's literally nice. Pretty cool. I just gotta fluff it out more. It needs more opening up. You have to literally like pull it down and then open it up to the side. It's easy. It just takes like all Christmas tree. You know, it takes a little time. Here we are. Beautiful. Oh my God. Breathless. So nice. We could even put up a star there later on. We have many different features of the light that we could control right here. By just push of this button. Wow. See that? Could do fast, slow, steady, medium. Really bright and nice. Really, it's such a different color overall in the nighttime here. Wow, even my doggy loves this. Bennett, you like this? Whoa. Wow. Amazing. Holy smoke. I gotta pull those tags out. My dog likes it, by the way. Oh, the metal stand is a big plus, and it's a gorgeous Christmas tree overall. The daytime, it's like pink with white, and at night, you see the color is beautiful. Really nice that it has lights built in inside, so you don't have to buy the lights and stuff. Check in the comment section for more price and details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos. 100% free, honest review, and we got lots of more videos coming up. Happy holidays to everyone. Thank you so much for subscribing. Have a blessed day.